I'm going to help you own your own audience.
What?
So owning your audience is very important because if the platform decides to shut you down for whatever reason, you still own the audience and you can talk to them and they can talk to you, etc. So I'm super excited. Let's go. Let's do this. For your step number 1, you can go and search for email and search for the most simplest template that you could use. If you want a detailed video explaining the ins and outs, go to my playlist for Own Your Audience. Then you can go and watch the step-by-step, about 12-minute long video. For our lesson today, I'm going to pick a simple example so that I can show you how you start this journey of owning your audience in the most simplest form. So scroll down, pick an easy template that's not going to be troubling you a lot, and then this is a free one. We can customize the template and then start making changes. So I'm going to play music to show you how I edit this to the simplest form of an update, and then we can download it together. Once you're done with your email, simple, straightforward, no drama, you're going to click where it says share and you're going to click on download and you're going to download it as a PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. And we've named it nicely. We're going to click download and we are ready to go to step number 2. Step number 2, you're going to access your Google Drive. I suggest that you create a Gmail account for your campaigns. It's just going to make your life easy instead of meshing everything into one. Once you are on your Google Drive, you're going to open a new folder and you're going to call this folder Own Your Audience and click on Create. And then on your folder, you're going to add that PDF that you just downloaded from your Canva, and it's going to start uploading. Once it's uploaded, it's very important to make this whole folder accessible. So just make sure you click on the name and then you click on share and you click the share button so that you change who views this from restricted, and then you make it anyone with a link, and then the system is going to save it so that it becomes the viewer. And anybody on the internet can have access to this. Very important, because on your email, if you haven't done this, people can't see the content. So just make sure that it says viewer and then you're good to go. The next step, you're going to go to your Google Sheet. So it is also very important that you click on the menu and then you scroll down to Sheets, in order for you to create a brand new sheet that you're going to compile the emails that you have been getting everywhere. So rename the sheet to Own Your Audience like that, and then have 4 columns that you're gonna name email, source, and status. So status, very important, because if people unsubscribe to your list, you can still be compliant and take them off and not send people emails, especially if they've unsubscribed. So once you have all of these 4 columns, you're ready for the last step. We are now ready to send our campaign that we've created on Canva using script. So just make sure that you have examples that are added on your email, as well as the name, as well as the source and the status. Very important that the status looks and gets typed in a certain way where people have subscribed or not subscribed. Another very important thing is, what have you named your tab that the system or script is going to pick up and send the emails to? If you've left it as sheet, that's fine. Your code must have sheet where the script can go find the data from. This is very important. So next step is for you to open script. You're going to click extension and you're going to select app script, and then you're going to select new project. So there are two ways that you can open Google Script: directly from your sheet, or you can go script.google.com and then you can select new project and then you call it Own Your Audience. This is where we're going to add our code. It needs to be completely clean. So we're going to delete our code GS so that it's completely clean. And then you paste the code that I'm going to share in the description with you. Edit your code. It's very important to take note of the spreadsheet ID. The spreadsheet that you are working on has an ID. And the ID starts where the spreadsheet D ends up until edit. This is your spreadsheet ID. You copy this spreadsheet ID, you head over to your sheet and you paste it inside the inverted commas so that the script knows that you are talking about this spreadsheet. Very important. Sheet 1, also important. This is the name of this spreadsheet that we are working on. Awesome. You scroll down. Next, your subject line. Your Canva PDF. What is it called? You copy your Canva PDF and you head over to your subject line and you paste that in there. And then lastly, you paste your Canva link here. The last thing is for you to go to your Google Drive, copy the link that you made sure that everybody can view, and then you head over on the inverted commas, make sure there's a coding name for it, and you paste your Google Drive link in there. Then you can go ahead and change the name if you don't like the name. I don't like that name. And then you save and then you run the script. Then you wait. It's gonna ask for authorization, so this will only happen one time and one time only. You're gonna click review permission and then you're gonna select the campaign account and you're gonna get this message. Google is just testing if you know what you're doing. It's just testing if it's okay to send the email on your behalf. So don't be alarmed and don't click go back to safety. Click where it says advance and then tell Google you're comfortable. They must go ahead and continue sending the emails on your behalf. You are happy with this. And you click go to your own audience. Even though it says unsafe, it's just a warning that Google is warning you to say, do you know what are you doing? So we know what we're doing. The script is ours. We're not taking it from anybody else. We are building it ourselves. Then you're going to click continue. And execution is completed. This means that the 2 emails that I've sent out, it could be 10, it could be 50, they have been successfully executed by the script. Your script was perfect, it ran. So we go to the emails and we check. There's the Learn with Zara school platform. They've shared, you see, I told you that Google doesn't like emojis, so try not to add emojis. Google is very helpful. They added PDF for you as well, and there's the link. It's successful. You can stand up and do the jive. Let's go to the other email that's on there and refresh, and voila. Hi Buntle, this is Buntle, exactly as our spreadsheet. You have just created a system that you own, that's 100% yours. What are the important things that you need to take away from this video? Last lesson, automation is truly literal. You need to make sure your spelling matters. The spaces also matters a lot. One space can break this whole system of yours. Code follows data and not intention. What we mean when we say you own your audience, we mean it's your list, it's your system, it's your control. But also take note that Google has daily limits of 100 to 150 emails a day on a free account, and you can get more on your workspace. This cheat sheet, you can find it on our description below, and you can use it as you carry on. If you truly enjoyed this list, please share it and go watch this Canva video that's going to help you create beautiful emails, the PDFs that we've attached. Go watch this next video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you with our next video.